Hi everyone, welcome back to another WIM session on top 5 WIM tips and tricks. So I have listed down here top 5. So first one is a nmap. So this one will be useful when, let's say for example, you have some commands which will work in Linux and some commands will not work in Windows. For example, how to increment a number. There is a command how to increment a number. You have to be in escape mode and you have to press ctrl and a, which will increment a particular number. This will work in Linux, but most of you guys will find that it will not working in Windows. Why? Because ctrl a is already assigned to select all. That is a Windows specific. So what you can do, you can nnoremap. So which key you want to replace ctrl a? For example, you can use alt a, so you can use alt a instead of ctrl a, because ctrl a is already used by operating system to select all, so you can override using alt a, or you can use any combination like alt d, alt I, any combination. So once you do that, you can go here and you can press ctrl a, which will increment your number. And by the way, ctrl d will decrement. Ctrl D, it should decrement your number, but it is not happening. So again you can remap. This time alt D should function as ctrl D, which will work in Linux. So now you can go and you can decrement your number. A ctrl X, I'm sorry, it is ctrl X which will decrement your number. Forgot. So ctrl X is working in Windows, so no need to change anything. So if any functionalities are not working, you can map it in this way. This is the Linux commands and this is the Windows. I hope you got it. So the command will be nnoremap. For auto increment, I am saying alt a instead of control a. So that is first one. And how to get all the set of 5 lines after a pattern. Let's say for example, I have a log in which there will be date. So there are so many dates are available. If you want to sort out all the dates, you have to type in escape mode date and delete. What it does, it deletes all the lines except if it is not matching date. So it gives only the date lines. This is fine, but what if I want date and then let's say 2 lines I want. After date, those 2 lines also I want, not only the date line. Then what you can do, so you can G for search global date dot from that line plus how many lines, 2 lines. You can copy into some register. So you can use some capital letters, capital A to Z, anything you can use. I will use capital E. So you can see this. So all the lines have been copied. So the original text may be remained as it is. So you can use a new tab. What you have to do, you have to go to the escape mode. No, you have to press double quotes. If you have used capital E previously, you have to use small e and then paste. So you have to type these 3. So I will type in the escape mode. So this is, so it is copied 2 more lines after date. So this will be very useful for those who are debugging the logs, it will be helpful. So you can use G and pattern, whatever the pattern, and then space dot means current line, and how many lines you want. If you want 5 lines, you want to specify +5. If you want 2 lines, +2. And then yank, copy into some register. So you can have capital A to capital Z. In between any capital letter you can take. After that, open a new tab and you have to type double quotes. If you have used capital Z, you have to use small z and p. It depends what capital letter you have used. The same small letter you have to use and p. Paste. So that will give all the 5 lines of the pattern. How to convert all the tabs into spaces in your code. So this is again some problem for, let's say for example, you are writing your own code and you are giving lots of spaces. Okay, print $i semicolon else tab print no not it is. Some text is there, some random text, and when you go here, when you are deleting, it is deleting like a tab, but you don't want that. You want here to delete only one position back. So for that, what you can do, in the escape mode, you have to type set expand tab. So what it does, it expands all the tabs. Set expand tab. Now nothing happens, nothing really changed, but if you type retab, now it will change. So in your code now, all the tabs has been successfully converted into spaces. So you might have felt how it is helpful, because for example, if you have used some tabs, when you open with some other text editors, sometimes it may give 4 spaces, sometimes it may give single spaces. So it depends upon text editor to text editor, it will change. So that time it will be helpful. So what you have to do, you have to set expand tab and then retab. That's it. It will convert all the tabs into spaces. The next one is how to insert special symbols. Otherwise we will call it as digraphs. In the previous top 10 I have taken already digraphs, but still again I want to give again. So let's say for example, if you want to insert copyright band, so here I want to insert copyright symbol. How I can do? Insert, ctrl+k and CO. You see this copyright symbol? So like this, so many symbols are available. How to insert all those symbols? First type dig. So to know what are the symbols available, so you can use navigation J and K to go up and down. J for down, K for up, or you can use space also. So first of all, find out which symbol you want. Let's say for example, this looks nice, YE. Yeah, I will use this YE. So you have to identify what is the combination. It's a capital Y and small e, remember, and then go to a new line, insert mode, ctrl+k you press, and you remember the combination capital Y and small e. So it inserts that particular symbol. You can try. So this is sometimes fun. You can insert some symbols, only supported symbols you can find. In Linux you can print so many other symbols. So first select one pattern, remember the combination, and in insert mode type ctrl+k and type the pattern characters. it will print your symbol. So the last one, how to insert the output of an OS command into your code. So sometimes I want to see what is the present working directory. I want to actually write what is the present working directory of this code, or let's say any dir, ls, hostname, anything. If you want to write, what you can do in the command mode, read, r for read, present working directory. In Windows you will use cd for current working directory. If it is a Linux, you will use present working directory. So what it does, it actually inserts, let's say for example cd. So it inserts OS commands into your code. So in the next line I want to read from, let's say, dir. So it inserts the results into your code. Or otherwise here you can use hostname Apple PC. So I hope it will be helpful for some people. So what you have to do, you have to type, place your cursor wherever you want, and then type this and your wish, the command, OS command. So that's it for quick top 5 Vim tips and tricks. Thank you. Bye.